introductory meeting, I should say, today.
The Meghalaya government has announced plans to restart the physical efficiency tests for police recruitment at the 1st MLP Battalion in Mawyong, Shillong and the 4th MLP Battalion in Sophian. Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Police, Preston Tinsong, cited technical issues during the initial rounds as the reason for the decision to reset the process.
1 week or 2 weeks like that. So once everything is in place, again we will start. So yesterday we have taken a decision. I told them that better we reset the whole thing, because I think some technical defect happens in the in the instruments. So I've already told the board to better postpone it, cancel it, restart again. So now it takes maybe 1 week or 2 weeks like that. So once everything is in place, again we will start.
The East Khasi Hills District